Now here let us perform one more example, that is example number 2. So in this example, simplify a plus 3 into a plus 4 into a minus 5 into a minus 7 in only horizontal method. So we have to multiply these 4 binomials in a horizontal method. So now the solution starts now. So as per problem or according to problem, so we have to multiply a plus 3 and a plus 4 and a minus 5 and a minus 7. That implies, first of all let us multiply a plus 3 and a plus 4, and later let us multiply a minus 5 and a minus 7 separately within the square brackets. So here a plus 3 must be multiplied with a plus 4 bracket close, and here a minus 5 must be multiplied with a minus 7 separately. Then that implies, so here we have to multiply a with a and a with 4, then now 3 with a and 3 with 4. So here also this a with a and a with 7, 5 with a and 5 with 7. Then now the next term will be of a into a, or else a into entire bracket, that is a plus 4, plus 3 into entire bracket, that is a plus 4. Similarly here also a with entire bracket, a minus 7, minus 5 with entire bracket, a minus 7. So here we have utilized the left distributive law, a with entire bracket a plus 4 and later 3 with entire bracket a plus 4. Similarly a with entire bracket a minus 7 and minus 5 with entire bracket a minus 7. That gives us a into a as a square plus a into 4 as 4a plus 3 into a as 3a plus 3 into 4 as 12. So we have multiplied in this manner a into a and a into 4, 3 into a and 3 into 4. So here also the same, a into a and a into 7 and 5 into a and 5 into 7. Then later here bracket close, then multiply, so a into a as a square minus 7 into a as 7a minus 5 into a as 5a, minus of minus is of positive sign, 5 7s is of 35 bracket close. Then now, so here that implies, whereas in the first bracket a square there is none other like term, but here 4a and 3 are like terms, plus into plus of plus, we have to add up 4a plus 3 is 4 plus 3 is of 7a, but among 3 and 4, 4 is of greater and the sign is of positive sign. Then now plus the last term is of 12, then later a square single term, there is none other like terms, so here we have to add up the like terms, a and a, minus of minus is of plus, we have to add up 7 plus 5 is of 12a, but among 5 and 7, 7 is greater, set sign is of minus sign, so minus sign will be assessed, plus 35 copied as it is. Now we have to multiply, that implies a square with entire bracket of the second expression, and similarly a square minus 12a plus 35, then now second term plus 7a with entire bracket of the second expression, a square minus 12a plus 35 plus 12 must be multiplied with entire bracket, that is a square minus 12a plus 35. So here we did a square into entire bracket plus 7a into entire bracket plus 12 into entire bracket, that is left distributive law. We utilized left distributive law, whereas here also I am going to multiply a square into a first of all, then a square with 12a, then a square with 35, then 7a into 7a square and into second term and into third term. So here 12 into a square, then 12 into 12a, then now 12 into 35. In this manner we get, so here a square into a square as a power 4 minus 12 into a square as 12a cube plus 35 into a square as 35a square plus 7a into a square as 7a cube to the power of 2 and to the power of 1, 2 plus 1 is of 3, plus into minus is of minus, 12 7s is of 84, a into a is of a square, then now plus into plus is of plus 35 7s is of 245. So here only a, then now plus 12 into a square is of 12a square minus 12 12s is of plus into minus is minus, 12 into 12 is of 144, only a, then now plus into plus is of plus 12 35s 12 35s is of 420. So that implies a power 4, there is none other a power 4 terms, this is only single term, we can write it as it is. Then now cube terms, minus 12a cube and here plus 7a cube. Say there is none other. Let us simplify. Minus of plus is of minus. Let us subtract. 12 minus 7 is of 5. 5a cube. But among 12 and 7, so 12 is greater, so sign is of negative. Then the a square terms. So here 35a square. Then now minus 84a square. Then now plus 12a square. But here 35a square plus 12a square is of 47a square. So 35 plus 12 is of 47. 47 plus 47a square minus 84a square. So here if you simplify, plus into minus as minus, 84 minus 47. So you will get us here 37a squares. But to assess the sign here, 84 is greater than 47. So here 84 is greater, its sign is of negative, so minus sign will be attached. Then now a terms. So here 245a minus 144a, plus into minus is of minus. So these two are like terms. So we have to subtract 245 minus 144 is of 101 a's. But among these two I say 144 and 245. 245 is greater, the sign is of positive, the positive sign will be attached. Then now the last term is a single term, that is 420. There is another constant term, we have to write as it is, that is plus 420. So in this manner, so a power 4 minus 5a cube minus 37a square plus 101a plus 420 is the resulting expression. Then now let us perform one more example by finding the product of one monomial, that is polynomial with monomial, and later I say let us evaluate the value by substituting the variables figures, that is either 3 or 2 or etc. So here example number 3, let us perform one more example, that is example number 3. So in this example, find the product of five ab into 4a square b minus 3a and evaluate or calculate or find out the value of expression which we get by multiplying the 5ab and as well as 4a square b minus 3a expression if a is equals to 3 and b equals to 2. So first of all, we have to find out the product of a monomial, that is 5ab, with the polynomial or the binomial 4a square b minus 3a. So here as per problem 5ab into 4a square b minus 3a implies 5ab must be multiplied with the first term first of all, then now 5ab must be multiplied with the second term, that is 3a. Then now the product will be 5ab into 4a square b as the first term, then now plus into minus is of minus, 5ab again must be multiplied with this 3a. Then now let us multiply the coefficients first of all, 5 into 4, then later a terms together, a into a square into b into b minus 5 into coefficients into 3, a into b separately. Then that implies 5 4 is of 20, a into a square, a power 1 and a power 2, that is base are equal, then the exponents must be added up. So here 1 plus 2 is 3, a cube. So here 1 and 1 plus 1 is of 2, that is b square, minus 5 3 is of 15, a into a is a square into b as it is. So this is the result. So here so we can write as here therefore, so 5ab into 4a square b minus 3a result is of, so 20 a cube b square minus 15 a square b. This is the result at a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. So we have to find out the value, then that implies, so 5 into ab into 4a square b minus 3a is equals to, so 20 into a value is of 3 but a cube, so 3 cube into b value is of 2, so b square, now you have 2 square minus 15 into a value again is of 3 but it is squared into b value is of 2, and that is equals to 20 into 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3 is of 27 into 2 square value is of 4 minus 15 into 3 square value 3 is of 9 into 2, then that is equals to, so by multiplying what is 20 into 27 into 4 we will get as a 2160 minus 15 into 9 into 2 as 270. but 270 is of negative and 2160 is of positive. Plus into minus is of minus. We have to subtract 2160 minus 270 is of 1890. But among these two, 270 and as well as 2160 is greater than 270. Therefore, 2160 sign is of positive. So, positive sign must be assessed. So, in this manner, we got the value of 5ab into 4a square b minus 3a is of 1890 when a is substituted as 3 and b is substituted as 2.